Treobytes is being very deliberate about our intention with re-engineer education.
I think there's, in traditional education, a pretty massive disconnect between processes and tools and the actual outcomes that those can provide.
You memorize things and then you forget them shortly after the test. That's the current system, and I think that doesn't work for what 21st century needs.
So I think that's where Treobytes comes in, and we provide that hands-on, industry-relevant experience for the students so that students are fueled by their curiosity rather than limited and told no.
It's actually about, okay, you're gonna learn something and then you're gonna use it. You're gonna build something, you're gonna be creative.
Kind of taking a new approach to something that's been done for the same way for a long time.
That's what we're trying to do at Treobytes, to re-engineer education so that everything has a purpose, everything is fun and engaging.
When I think about industry-based learning, I think about how is this knowledge going to transfer, and being able to kind of merge the project-based learning and industry-based learning together. And so camps like ours, hands-on things, going after kids' passions, I think that drives learning. We are educators, scientists, engineers with the knowledge and background, and we really want to be the initiators of doing that.